Yeah, so I ended up living about 10 years in South America, and I got used to a certain level of volatility, tolerance, and just needing to stay agile and kind of roll with the punches. So I had some good training, I think, for the cannabis world. Down in South America, it's a little bit different, sort of volatility, but yeah, you're prone to regulatory changes at the drop of a dime. You can have inflation that goes 500% from one month to the next. So a loaf of bread costs $1, then it costs $500. It's a hard environment to plan for, right? With Hennessy, there was a time when inflation, in the country level was rising. We had the government come to us and say we couldn't raise prices because that would only lead to inflation because we're a very visible company. So there's a lot of that lack of control, a lot of that volatility that prepared me. But it's just another level with cannabis, and it's very hard to plan for. It's very hard to prepare for. You can't have single points of failure. You have to have a diversified base in whatever you do because you can't predict outcomes kind of across every, risk point that you have there.